Okay. And of course, apologies for some sort of delays here. And of course, it's 1931 Philippine Standard Time. Of course, we're going to overhaul the route relation. So please stand by for the Java OpenStreetMap editor to be appeared on the right hand corner of your screen. Of course, you know what, guys, I've been into, some sort of delays, but I am the Las Piñas City heading to, northern part of the, of, or should I say, the former route of the Loton to Las Piñas City and vice versa is now already invalidated by the latest GCQ new normal of its rationalized bus route. So, say for example, if we're going to overhaul, then first things first, you need to select the route relation to overhaul, just like in the route relations list. So please be aware that there's a modernized PUV route coming from Las Piñas City all the way, or should I say, SM South Mall rather, all the way to Parañaque ITX. Of course, from Alabang to Zapote, it's now upgraded already to modernized PUVs. We're going to search for this one. Instead of some sort of PUJs or something like that, we need to overhaul something like coming from Alabang to Zapote. It has to be overhauled into bus route. But wait, there's more. You could convert anything into route master provided that you have the following conditions. All you need to do is to delete the existing ones that got invalidated. Let me open those three route relations. Say, for example, let me redirect this to modern public utility vehicles all the way to the opposite side of Zapote, or Zapote still in Las Piñas City. Since there are some sort of GCQ restrictions in certain parts of Bacoor City or Las Piñas City and other sort of redirections, but we need to download it first. And let's convert into route master bus. So, Alabang to Zapote could be safely renamed into Alabang Transport Service Cooperative Modern. Should it be PUV already? No reference number as of this time, except if I have to investigate it further. Could it be like on the major? You know, oh my goodness, I haven't shared this one into the group page because I got overwhelmed by, you know, got overwhelmed by Juanchoyce. Apologies for some sort of delays. You know what? Public transport should, this one should be a band reference number. This should go, this should go, this should go, and must be Zapote. This should go, and I'm not 100% sure if there's Zapote terminal right there. And we should be very serious in remapping those ones. This should go, and this should go. Let's say we're going to have some sort of calculation to say this one must be Zapote to Alabang to Zapote. Of course, we're still investigating the route number for this, for the first ones to Alabang Zapote route. Of course, going to be very serious in this modernized PUD route number. Its numbers will be found on the annex. And let's say, for example, if we're going to map out all of the route numbers, we have to be very serious on it, since it could serve as an identifier on all public utility vehicle routes, and we could easily tell to the Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board if ever there are some sort of complaints. Of course, as far as you know, I'm going to trim the first 30 minutes of this footage because it got overwhelmed by one choice. Apologies for those waiting for Mapping 101 episode. Let's say it's on a Bravo 7. Let's type it in Bravo 7. And don't forget to say this. This would might be helpful if you need to have some sort of remapping activity since past the you know general community quarantine, there's a new normal already, and I'm not 100% sure if this public utility vehicle route could go into Bacoor City or could go U-turn underneath the Sapote overpass. This one, here are some tips. If you're going to overhaul, you might need to indicate the public transport version 2 or PTV2, and the ref is Bravo 7, Route Master is pass. Don't forget to add pass equals to share underscore taxi. Same as goes with the affected route relations. Don't forget to save it and close if necessary. And so, if we're going to map, let's zoom it in. As far as you know, it might be underneath the footpage or underneath the overpass rather, or something that needs to be reviewed. Of course, still in the review process. That trauma should be somewhere else here before the overpassing. And let's select all of these way segments for Sapote. Of course, this portion is technically a Baco or city's jurisdiction. So please take note of this one. Of course, we need to make a U-turns. And select most of the way segments if necessary. However, there are some sort of closures here at the Sapote Bridge. I'm not 100% sure if Bacoor City have opened on the GCQ period. Maybe there's something like rehabilitation or repair the bridge. So let us know in the comment section below if you have any sort of update with regards to support the beach. And so this one is Alabang Sapote Road, the highway 411. And unfortunately, the speed limits for all radial and circumferential roads got locked into 60 kilometers per hour for safety reasons. And I'm going to fix something, especially if there are some sort of fix request. And as far as I know, I have received some sort of fix request. And I'm going to indicate the no smoking and in some cases limited wheelchair accessibility due to the steps in which it requires some sort of assistance. Hopefully, all of these public utility vehicle routes could be accessible and reliable. And right now, I'm going to end this live edition with the change set comment in which this one could be the simplest overhaul. Let's check it once again. And please make sure that the type should be route master. And there you go. Emilio Aguinaldo Highway. Unfortunately, it got shortened for some sort of reason. Either is simplicity or you know what, it would cause further confusion for certain Dasmanias residents or Dasmanias city residents, as there's a street named with the similar surname of its historical nature, brother of General Emilio Aguinaldo, none other than Crispolo Aguinaldo. That's this trivia. So for Tassen Bensan, I'm going to overhaul this one on the next episode, in which it could be the part 2 of the fix. Or otherwise, I'll be going to do this in a tape edition. So thank you very much for watching Mapping 101 Thursdays, and I apologize for some sort of delays here due to the irregularities of the programming schedule due to the premiere of or the pilot episode of Adventures with Juanchoyce. Of course, Mapping 101 Thursdays could be rescheduled a bit earlier, 18:30, or at a later time. Could it be like after the Adventures with Juanchoyce, possibly 19:30 Philippine Standard Time? Of course, we have a validation warnings. Of course, have to indicate this one as, you know, Las Piñas and oops, should it be Paco or Las Piñas? Modern POV mapping fixes. Surely live Mapping 101 live 005. And we're going to remove LTFRB MC 2020-0919 for the data source. Of course, it's a product of durable research. And don't forget to indicate EN-PH for the local, and don't forget these hashtags: Mapping101, OSMPH, Papercut Fix. And by the way, with the collaboration of the OpenStreetMap Philippines, all of these Papercut fixes will be updated. And don't forget to check out Papercut Fix 64 for the latest updates. And it's uploaded already on the OpenStreetMap. See you next week. Thank you very much. And this episode closes with the close chain set. Remember the chain set number 87452158. That's 87452158. So see you guys.